ITS service. Today we are talking about iPhone 8 Plus. There's no image. The phone has a corrosion. So this is the phone here. And watch, guys. Do you guys see the corrosion here on the chestnut? So what I did, I took the old chestnut. I don't need it anymore. I'm not gonna use it, to be honest with you. And then I cleaned the traces. We're gonna put the new one back, and we'll see if we're gonna have screen again on image. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna post the other video soon. Hey guys, thank you. So this is the phone, the iPhone 8 Plus, under the microscope. Sorry, under a power supply. After replacing the chestnut, we're gonna see if it's gonna work or no. So let's check. There we are, it's normal. The power supply is taking normal. Let's wait and see if it's gonna turn on. And we will have image or no. Yep, there we are. Back to business. iPhone 8 Plus, no image because the water damage and the corrosion. The problem was the chestnut is on corrosion under chestnut, and if you guys see it, this one is bad. And I took it from iPhone 7 Plus because I didn't have a new. I'm out of stock. I'm gonna order some things. I'm just gonna wait for the phone to see if it's gonna boot. It's gonna take time because I don't have the finger ID, or I don't have the front camera sensor. So let's see. But before that, I want to show you guys here. That was the chestnut, is number, what's it called, U5600. So we here have the phone. Let's test if we have touch. Yep, we back to business, baby. We have touch, everything is okay. Take it normally. You're gonna check everything. We will turn it off and do the data recovery for the customers. Thanks for watching. This is ITS service. So this is the iPhone 8 Plus. We're gonna do the recovery. I hook it to the battery and charging port, and see you guys the water. So I hook it to the computer right now. So we're gonna do the recovery. So this is iPhone 8 Plus, was water damage. If you guys can see, all the water still there. Okay, we fix it just to get the data, and the customer, if you want to fix it, I can do it again, but it's better to do data. So I just want to approve to you guys, like prove it that we can do water damage data recovery. And this is iPhone 8 Plus. He's happy, all his data is here, and we charge him very good price. And thank you guys very much for watching my channel. And this is iPhone 8 Plus, water damage corrosion on the backlight system. We change chestnut phone back to life. Thanks for watching.